Hello friends, in order to do this beautiful bracelet we need plastic rings of this type. Now these plastic rings have holes on both sides. If you see here, you can see the hole on this side and the opposite side. So we need some plastic rings. We need these velvet beads. These are the velvet beads which are inside these loops. I have wrapped the loops with silk thread, and then you need these 4 mm pearl beads to be inserted between the rings, and then this charm, flower charm. You also need jump rings. You see there I've used jump rings, gear locks and gear wire, and lobster hook. These are the things which are required for making this beautiful bracelet. Shall we now start? And now you have to search for the hole in this, because we would have wrapped the hole also. So just find out where the hole is and insert the gear wire into the hole. Now this has come here. Now you insert the velvet bead and find the other hole which will be opposite to this. Now pull this. Now you see that this velvet bead has got placed into the ring beautifully. Now you insert another pearl bead, and then again search for the hole, insert the gear wire, and then the velvet bead, and then search for the opposite hole and pull through that hole so that the velvet bead will fit correctly. So now here's the hole. Now I have inserted this. Now for the velvet bead. Now we know that the hole will be just opposite to the hole which you have inserted. To find it will be first difficult to find the initial hole. The second hole will be easier. So just search for that hole. It's a very small ring. Even your little finger cannot get into that ring. So you just need to be patient while doing this bracelet. That's it. Now pull this on both sides, and then like this. Now I have completed this. I have added 2 pearl beads here and 2 pearl beads here. Now for the completion. To complete this bracelet, I need gear locks. So now I'm going to take 2 gear locks, and then I will insert it to the gear wire. Then I insert the fish hook, to which I have attached a jump ring, and then insert the gear wire into the gear locks to form a loop. Now keep your hands here and pull this gear wire through this lock, and then you also pull it through these two pearl beads. Now this is done. With the help of the nose plier, tighten these two gear locks so that it gets locked. Now cut this excess string here and pull this. Now one side of it is ready with the fish hook. On the other side you can either use jump rings or you can use a chain, extension chain, so that you can have a adjustable bracelet to the size required. So here I am adding the gear locks first, adding 2 gear locks, and then I am adding 1 jump ring. And then I am going to insert the gear wire into the gear locks to form a loop, and then into the pearl beads. And once done, you can just lock the gear locks and then cut the excess thread. Now your bracelet is done. Now if you want, you can add a charm or some extension wires. Just add the jump ring to the charm and then add it to this jump ring, lock. So now this beautiful bracelet is ready, and I hope you enjoyed watching.